Hello, I'm Dr. Greg Maguire at NeoGenesis. Today I'd like to tell you about the overall philosophy for the ingredients that we use in a NeoGenesis product. So how is it the science informs us at NeoGenesis to use the various ingredients in our products? The overall strategy that we use is to use a systems therapeutic for physiological renormalization. So what does that mean? The systems therapeutic is using multiple molecule types to target multiple pathways underlying the particular skin condition that we're trying to treat. So most conditions have multiple pathways underlying that condition. So it could be hundreds of different pathways that are affected and contributing to that condition. And the traditional means for developing therapeutics is to make one small molecule to hit, say there's 10 pathways, one molecule to hit one of the pathways underlying the condition. And if you hit one pathway, you still have 9 pathways that are dysfunctional. So the NeoGenesis approach is to use the molecules that hit all of the different pathways underlying the condition. Important to this strategy is the physiological renormalization, that is using the molecule types that are physiological. The molecules that are not artificial, they are indeed the molecules that are normally present in the skin when the skin was young and healthy. So there's not artificial ingredients going in that the skin doesn't know how to process, that may be antigenic, that may cause inflammation of themselves. So this is the overall approach. The molecules that we use are native to the skin, and importantly, these molecules have evolved to maintain and heal the skin. Examples, of course, are the core technology, the S²M, the stem cell released molecules, using stem cells from the skin that release the molecules that the skin needs to maintain and to heal itself. So these molecules repair tissue, and they also, when you lose tissue, they help to regenerate the tissue. These are the natural stem cell molecules present in the skin. Likewise, lipids. Lipids are very important to forming the barrier of the skin. So the outer layer of the skin, where the stratum corneum is composed of a lot of lipid, and it's important to put the right lipids into the skin. So again, this is the systems therapeutic approach, where NeoGenesis gives you the 3 key lipid types that the keratinocytes use to build the fat crystalline structure of the stratum corneum, so that you have proper barrier function and you don't have disrupted barrier and therefore inflammation. So those are lipids that we normally have the skin make, or some of the lipids are derived from diet. So they come in through diet, through the portal vein, they go into the blood supply, and then the blood supply will pump these lipids into the skin. Likewise for vitamin C, that's something that we totally derive from our diet. So the primates, including humans, evolved not to make vitamin C because we eat so many vegetables with vitamin C in our diet. None of it is made in the human body. And that vitamin C is present normally in the skin when you eat vegetables, both in the dermis as well as the epidermis. Very important for vitamin C to be in both layers. Likewise, butyrate. Butyrate is a short-chain fatty acid important to immune function, and actually can be an energy source for our cells. Along with glucose and some of the ketone bodies, butyrate itself can be an energy source for cells. So butyrate is produced both in the gut and in the skin by our symbiotic bacteria. That is, the bacteria that are healthy for us, that actually make molecules for our body. So butyrate is one of those key molecules that we use in some of our products. It's taming down the immune system, keeping inflammation low, and it's also providing an energy source for some of the cells. So this is the idea of the systems therapeutic, using all the different molecule types that are either made in the skin or that we take in through the diet that are normally present in the skin, that are there to maintain and heal the tissue. So this is the overall approach. The multiple molecule types, most all of them are physiological. That is, they are the same molecules that are normally in the skin when it's young and healthy. And the overall approach is taken through each of our products. When the products are used together as a regimen, then you have the full complement of all of the different types of molecules that you need to feed the skin to keep it young and healthy. Thank you.